The sassafras tree, a deciduous marvel, graces the landscapes of North America and Asia. Belonging to the genus Sassafras, these trees are renowned for their captivating fragrance. Sassafras trees are a captivating presence in their native regions. They offer a sensory experience like no other. 3 primary species of sassafras exist: Sassafras albidum, Sassafras tsumu, and Sassafras randyense. Each species carries its own unique characteristics and distribution. Sassafras albidum, commonly known as white sassafras, is native to eastern North America. It is recognized by its distinctive 3-lobed leaves. Sassafras tsumu, found in central and eastern China, is known for its use in traditional Chinese medicine. Lastly, Sassafras randyense, another Chinese native, is a rarer species with limited distribution. All 3 species share the common thread of fragrance. Their aromatic properties have made them valuable throughout history. Sassafras albidum, fondly referred to as simply sassafras, holds a special place in the hearts of many North Americans. This deciduous tree, with its ability to reach heights of 30 to 60 feet, is a common sight in the eastern United States. Its distinctive lobed leaves, often displaying 3 distinct shapes, make it easily recognizable. The leaves, when crushed, release a sweet, citrusy aroma that is both refreshing and nostalgic. In autumn, the leaves transform into a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors, ranging from golden yellow to fiery orange and deep crimson. This visual spectacle adds to the allure of sassafras, making it a favorite among nature enthusiasts. Sassafras albidum is a dioecious species, meaning individual trees produce either male or female flowers. The small yellow flowers bloom in early spring before the leaves emerge. The male flowers are borne in drooping clusters, while the female flowers are solitary or in small groups. The allure of sassafras lies not just in its appearance, but also in its captivating fragrance. Every part of this aromatic tree, from its roots to its leaves and bark, holds a unique scent profile. The leaves, when crushed, release a sweet, citrusy aroma reminiscent of root beer. This distinctive fragrance is due to the presence of safrole, an aromatic compound found in the plant's essential oil. The bark, particularly the root bark, has a more robust, spicy aroma, often described as earthy and warm. It is this part of the tree that has been historically valued for its medicinal and culinary uses. The roots, when dried and ground, produce a fine powder known as sassafras root bark, which is used to make traditional root beer and other beverages. The essential oil extracted from sassafras, while prized for its aroma, is also a subject of caution. Safrole, the primary component of the oil, has been found to have carcinogenic properties in high concentrations. Section 4. A legacy of use, from traditional remedies to culinary delights. Sassafras has a storied history, used by Native Americans for medicine. Sassafras tea treated colds and fevers. European settlers adopted its use. Sassafras became a popular export. Its wood was used for furniture. In cuisine, it flavors root beer and gumbo. Section 5. Sassafras in modern times, a continued appreciation. While the use of sassafras in its traditional forms may have declined, its legacy lives on. Modern research continues to explore the potential medicinal benefits of sassafras, particularly its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. The distinctive flavor and aroma of sassafras continue to be appreciated in culinary applications, albeit with some restrictions. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA in the United States, has banned the commercial use of safrole, the primary aromatic compound in sassafras oil, in food and beverages due to its potential health risks. However, sassafras extracts that are safrole-free are still available and used to impart the characteristic flavor to root beer and other products. Sassafras trees continue to grace landscapes across North America, providing shade, beauty, and a connection to the past. Their vibrant fall foliage and intoxicating aroma continue to captivate, reminding us of the enduring allure of this fragrant treasure. Whether enjoyed for its beauty, aroma, or historical significance, sassafras remains an integral part of our natural heritage.